novel coronavirus udeu knyang jingpang ubakta ya ring bat hiarung sim. Ulaban sa priang na uway brio shaway, limba ka jerho ni senria, limba ka kublay kti ni jingajan, paru da ka bakta kinu kitiar ki balabit da ka ni knyang. Tangba wat kuslay, pila banyada yalade. Da ka basad ya kikti da ka saban, da ka batun. Tap yala ka kmut berkasentur da ki rumal lada pijerho ni senria. Kiar na kijakapat ba, persyang menungkta yala ka kmut ka kaman berkasentur. Lada pisngo shipment ni bayong kli, kin mau man persyang man kiar na kiway pat ki brio, pat puan ya ki doktor ni yaw number iway not pra. Wat kuslay. Sumar yala ka met banyada yalade. Kin mau ban tiya kambun kinta, ti ibha ko ni umso, bam artat ya ka jingbam ka batay ya ka met ka pat. Karukom babha ka nyarap ya pi, pat ya kiway ru. Wat nam sngap ya ki kubor hamsaya. Da ka jinga tray lang, ilaban rating kong yaw ni uknyang jingpang coronavirus. Labara siya pi da ka tanat ka koy kakya bar ka family welfare jang sarkar Meghalaya. The novel coronavirus is a contagion that causes respiratory illness and can be transmitted from person to person through sneezing and coughing, close personal contact, and touching contaminated objects. But don't panic. There are easy steps to reduce the risk of infection. Remember to wash your hands with soap under running water and cover your nose and mouth when coughing or sneezing with a tissue or a handkerchief. Maintain distance from people when in crowded places and try not to touch your face frequently, especially your nose, your mouth, and the eyes. In case you suspect that you are infected, keep yourself isolated, contact a doctor or the 108 helpline. Remember, don't panic. Stay healthy to stay safe. Remember to get adequate sleep, drink plenty of liquid, eat nutritious food to boost your immunity. Do not listen to rumors. Together, we can fight the coronavirus. Issued in public interest by the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya.